Daily Dispatch, Day 19, the filing system reboot and the Defrag Sequence. The signal is unmistakable. The dreams are back, not as gentle visits, but as vivid narrative storms. This is the predicted data point of the 19-day mark, and it is arriving on schedule. For 35 years, cannabis acted as a suppressor of REM sleep, a blunt force filter on the brain's nightly defragmentation cycle. With the filter removed, the backlog is processing. The filing system is not just online, it is conducting a full noisy audit. The dreams are not glitches, they are repair signals. This is where the scaffold proves its function. Its job is not to stop the process, but to provide the stable observational platform from which to witness it without alarm. To relabel a potentially distressing symptom as a necessary technical event, the defrag sequence. The accidental scaffold was built for precisely this, to create a structure sturdy enough to hold the weight of the repair process itself, so the conscious mind can observe the chaos as data, not as a threat. The path forward is not to seek quieter nights, but to continue logging the storm. Each vivid dream is a byte of data being moved from corrupted storage to active memory. The process is loud because the work is real. The reboot is underway. All systems are appropriately processing.